Hello class. Am I audible and visible? Yes. Good evening all of you. Am I audible and visible? Yes class. Kindly confirm all of you. Am I audible and visible? Yes. क्या मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप सभी को? Good evening all of you. Good evening. All right, Shantanu, thank you so much for confirmation. Good evening. So yes, students, another interesting session we have today, definite integration. Yes, in a previous class we have already done, yes, indefinite integration. So again we have a lot of question today, and yes, we will do it one by one. Yes, as I can say that काफी पुराने क्वेश्चंस भी है हमारे पास, काफी ओल्ड वर्जन और नए भी हैं. Yes, so I just tell you like a variety type of a question we have today. Yes, काफी variety type के क्वेश्चन हैं जिसे हम करने वाले हैं आज. Okay, so just wait for a moment, then we will start the session here. Yes, this is about myself here, Sheikh Rafique Ahmed, experience 6+ year, we can say. Yes, obviously it's a 7th year. I have already maintained 10,000 plus students, and yes, specialization in mathematics here. One more thing which is very important, yes, the 3 important application, Embibe Really, Embibe application and Embibe Lens app. You know the importance of these app. Obviously the Lens app is very important. If you want to see the 3D model, simply click the picture and get the 3D visualization. Clear? Okay, yes, try to download all of you. Now, one more thing, if you have any doubt, just look at here our Telegram channel as well as doubt resolution WhatsApp application. So yes, if you have any doubt, any query, simply clear here. Okay, you can clear all the doubts here. Okay, so as I told you here, the very first question we have here, that is JEE Mains 2014. Yes, as I told you, काफी सारे questions है हमारे पास, mixed type question we have here. So this is the very first question. Yes, talk about the weightage. जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बताया था. Yes, obviously आपको mix 8 mark to 10 mark, 8 to 12 we can say that, like definite और indefinite को अगर आप मिलाएं तो एक question definitely आपको वहां पे मिलता है. Okay, so yes, we have so many properties are there जो चीजें इसे यहाँ पे different बनाती है. Obviously we have a limit as well here. So yes, those are the things. So let's start the first one. Question number 1. Integration 0 to pi square root of 1 plus 4 sin square x by 2 minus 4 sin x by 2 dx is equal to what? Option we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to think about it. How do we solve it? Any idea? Anyone? Okay, take a look here. The first question we have here, the very first question. So yes, we have a I is equal to 0 to pi square root. Can we write 1 like a 1 square? Yes, 1 square is what? Look at the 4 sin square x by 2. 4 sin square x by 2, we can write down like 2 sin x by 2 whole of a square. Yes, minus 4 sin x by 2. Can we write like 2 into 1 into 2 sin x by 2? Yes, and then we have outside the square root, that is dx here. Correct? Now, what do you observe here? Okay, Harshita. All right. Good try. Sin x by 2 common. We can take sin x by 2 common. It is possible if we take sin x by 2 common outside the square root. Not possible right now. Yes, we can take with the help of it, but there is a 1 by 2 as well. So pretty much difficult. थोड़ा सा और difficult होता चला जाएगा. Now look at the pattern here. We just make a perfect square here. Correct? Exactly. So it should be nothing but 0 to pi square root of, yes, 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 whole of a square dx here. Now what will be the next step? यहां पे आप गलती कर सकते हैं. Any idea? Yes, what will be the next here? Square root and square will cancel out. Is that possible? Is it true every time? Yes. And we know that, like if we have a mod x, once we square it, then we can write the x here, correct? Should be simply a mod x here. Yes. So once we open it, it will something like 0 to pi mod of 1 minus 2 sine of x by 2 dx, correct? Exactly. Now think about it. How do we solve here? From 0 to pi interval. Yes, we have a 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 value here. Yes, we have to break it. Obviously, mod लगा है, डर तो लग रहा होगा, नहीं डरना है. Yes, so easy question. Try to think about it. कैसे break करें? Yes, from 0 to pi by 3. Exactly. Once we write down from 0 to pi by 3, the value become positive. It should be written as 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 dx. And what about from minus pi by 3 to pi? Yes, it will become negative here. Yes, I have already written the minus sign here. That should be 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 dx here. Now try to solve it and get the answer. All of you, think about it. So easy and simple. Try to write it down, all of you. What will be the answer? Okay. Yes, option A, B, C, D. Think about it. The first one is nothing but x plus 4 cos x by 2. That is limit 0 to pi by 3 minus, and again we have a x plus 4 cos x by 2, that is 0 to pi by 3 here. All right. Someone is spamming. Okay. Spammers को spam करने दीजिए. Just focus on a board here. So yes, upper limit minus lower limit. What will be the final answer? Option A, B, C, D. Yes, so easy. Cos 0 is 1 here. Any idea? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? That is option D. We can assume here. Yes, 4 root 3 minus 4 minus pi by 3 here. Yes, option D is the right answer. Clear? All right. Why not direct integration? Harshita say. Yes, is that possible to do the direct integration? Yes, square root of 1 plus 4 sin square x by 2 plus 4 sin x by 2. If we take any like substitution here, like sin x by 2 is equal to t here, then there is a extra cos x is there. Then again you have to convert cos x in terms of sin x, then in term of t also. Yes, will very lengthy. काफी lengthy हो जाएगा. Clear, Harshita? Okay. Now focus on the next here. The next question. Exactly. Yes, we can say the latest question 2019 here. JEE Mains 2019. This question is like limit as a sum. We can assume here. Yes, ये question आपका limit as a sum से पूछा गया है. Limit n tends to infinity, n by n square plus 1 square plus n by n square plus 2 square and so on dot plus 1 by 5n is equal to what here? How do we solve here? Yes, limit as a sum problem को कैसे solve किया जाता है? Any idea? Anyone know that? Direct from 0 to pi. Okay, Harshita. गुड क्वेश्चन. 0 to pi के बीच में अगर आपने डायरेक्ट इसे सॉल्व किया, कैन वी गेट द राइट आंसर? इज दैट पॉसिबल? अगर आपने 0 to pi के बीच में इसे इंटीग्रेट किया, यस यू कैन डू इट. आप सॉल्व करना. यस, क्योंकि जब भी हम मॉड और स्क्वायर रूट को ओपन करते हैं तो वहां पे क्या आता है? जब भी हम स्क्वायर रूट और स्क्वायर को ओपन करते हैं तो वहां पे मॉड आता है, करेक्ट? ऑब्वियसली. अब मॉड के अंदर का वैल्यू आपको फंक्शन को डिफाइन करना होता है. आपको साइन एक्स के बारे में पता है. यस, एग्जैक्टली. इट विल चेंज. यस, ये अपनी वैल्यू को चेंज करता है. तो आपको वो इंटरवल फाइंड करके उसे सॉल्व करना होगा. कितने इंटरवल में आपका जो फंक्शन है वो पॉजिटिव है और कितने इंटरवल में आपका फंक्शन जो नेगेटिव है. दैट्स व्हाई देन यू विल गेट द करेक्ट आंसर, द करेक्ट अप्रोच ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. ऑलराइट, नाउ फोकस ऑन लिमिट एज अ सम हियर. यस, एनी आइडिया कैसे सॉल्व करें? किस तरह से ऐसे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं? एनीवन नो दैट? थोड़ी सी जानकारी इकट्ठा करते हैं. यस, रिमेंबर इफ वी हैव अ लिमिट n tends to infinity 1 by n, if we have a summation like r equal to x to y, we can assume yes f of r by n, then it will become what? Integration of a to b fx dx here. कुछ नहीं करना होता है, कुछ भी नहीं करना होता है. डोंट कंफ्यूज, लाइक आपका जो समेशन साइन है, यस समटाइम आप इसे सिग्मा भी कहते हैं, समेशन साइन चेंज इनटू इंटीग्रेशन, r by n will become what, x here, and 1 by n will become what, it will be dx here. yes, थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन, बहुत छोटा सा कैलकुलेशन आपको करना होता है अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट के लिए. यस, लुक एट हियर a हियर, स्मॉल a आपका क्या है, लोअर लिमिट. यस, हाउ डू वी कैलकुलेट द लोअर लिमिट हियर, लिमिट n tends to infinity. yes, look at here, it is x here, so that should be x by n. And what about the low, yes, upper limit, limit n tends to infinity, that should be what, y by n here. Clear? yes, so you can write it down. थोड़ी सी जानकारी थी जो लिमिट एज अ सम प्रॉब्लम के लिए अप्रोच करना होता है हमें. ओके, जस्ट नोट इट डाउन, देन वी विल डू दी सेम क्वेश्चन हियर. यस, सो आपको अप्रोच समझनी होगी. ये काफी फेवरेट बन चुका है जेई वालों का. यस, पिछले कई सालों से इस पे एक क्वेश्चन आता ही आता है. सो बी प्रिपेयर फॉर इट ऑल ऑफ यू. यस, काफी बार पूछा गया है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Okay, I hope you all are noted and done here. So let's take a look here. What will be the next here? So हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है, limit n tends to infinity. Correct? Now look at inside the bracket here. N by n square plus 1 square plus, that should be n by n square plus 2 square plus and so on. Look at the last term. Yes, last term को भी आपको इसी तरह break करना है. Look at the numerator. We have a n here. If we adjust the n at that side, n square. So what will be the second term? That should be 2n square and bracket close here. Now collect it. Yes, अगर आप solve करेंगे last term को, that should be 1 by 5n. Now collect it together, all of you. Once we collect, how do we write? Yes, limit n tends to infinite. Correct? Now we have to apply sigma, that is summation. R is equal to 1 to which number? Yes, R equal to 1 to n or 1 to twice n. Yes, look at here. That should be the term 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 2n. So we have to write down 2n. Correct? Yes. And at the numerator we have a n divided by n square plus r square. Now we have to make the term, which term, r by n. yes, आपको r by n का फैक्टर बनाना है यहाँ पे. So we have to take n common. Correct? So we have limit n tends to infinite 1 by n. Correct? Sigma r is equal to 1 to 2n, and what we get here, 1 by 1 plus r by n of whole of square. Done? Now it's time to convert. All right, Chandru, that is correct. Yes, it's time to convert. Yes, आपका पैटर्न प्रिपेयर हो चुका है, तैयार हो चुका है. अब आप इसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं किसमें, इंटीग्रेशन में. करेक्ट? नाउ डू इट. सो इजी एंड सिंपल. सो दैट शुड बी व्हाट, इंटीग्रेशन dx by 1 plus x square. Can you guess the limit here? Yes, what will be the limit? Any idea? If we talk about the lower limit, yes, lower limit, that should be what? Limit n tends to infinite 1 by n. Its approach is 0. Yes, we have to write down 0 here. Now, if we talk about upper limit, that should be what? Limit n tends to infinite. Yes, 2n by n. Once we cancel out, all right, variable eliminated, only 2 left, that is constant value. So that should be 0 to 2 here. So our final will be like, final answer will be what? 0 to twice dx by 1 plus x square. Yes, it looks like a standard form. Correct? Yes, it looks like a standard form. We can say it's nothing but tan inverse of x and the limit from 0 to 2. Yes, tan inverse of 0, it 0. So we have to simply write down tan inverse of 2 is the final answer. Correct? Yes, option B is the correct answer. Exactly, Shantanu. Kindly note it down, all of you. Just note it down. Clear? Okay. Noted and done. All right, time to do the next part. Yes. Okay, exactly. Third question we have here. Question number 3. This question is 2 mark. Yes, this question was asked in exam, 2 mark. We can say very old question. Yes, 90s question, we can see that. So we can solve it orally. If you know the king property, you can apply here. So easy and simple here. Anyone know that? Any idea? What will be the answer? Yes, you can guess the answer directly. The king property you can apply here. Okay, so let me solve here. Let I is equal to what? 0 to pi by 4. And that is log of 1 plus tan x dx. That should be taken as equation number 1 here. Now, what is king property? Yes, if we have a to b fx dx is equal to what? Like if we have a integration of 0 to a fx dx, it should be written like what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx, correct? So let's apply here. Okay, let's apply here. What we get here? I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x dx here. Now, inside the bracket we have a, yes, obviously, we have a tan pi by 4 minus x. So let's apply tan a minus b formula. Yes, tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. So what is tan a minus tan pi by 4? We know the value here. So just do it very quickly step. These steps are very easy. Pi by 4 log of 1 plus. So we get here tan pi by 4 minus tan of x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan of x whole bracket closed here. Now tan pi by 4 is 1 here. So we have to apply 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus, okay, 1 minus tan of x divided by 1 plus tan of x whole bracket close dx. Now again we have to simplify more here. We have to simplify more here, little bit more. What we get? Take a look here. So we get I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4. Yes, log of, once we take the LCM, 1 plus tan x, what we get here? 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan of x whole divided by 1 plus tan x bracket close dx here. Now look at the numerator. Something is cancelled out here. Yes, plus tan x and minus tan x will cancel out. What we get here? 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus tan x dx. Now apply what? Apply logarithm property. Yes, log m by n. We know that. Log m minus log n here. So let's apply here. 0 to pi by 4. That should be log of 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 4. Yes, we have to distribute the integration as well. 1 plus tan of x dx here. Now focus on the right hand side part. Once we focus from equation 1, yes, it is identical. So can we write I as it is here, like 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 dx minus I. Now transpose minus I to the right side, so it will become twice of I. Log of 2 is the constant value, 0 to pi by 4. What we get here? Dx only. So we have to write it down here. 2I is equal to log 2, yes, and only x left. So let's apply the value here. What we get here? Pi by 4. So the final answer will be what? I is equal to log 2 into pi by 8. Yes, pi by 8 log 2 will be the final answer. You have to write it down here. pi/2 pi/8 actually into log 2. That is the final answer. Log 2. Okay, Shantanu. All right. Yes. Noted and done. These are the traditional method. We can see that very easy. The king property we have to use. Yes. Actually, अगर आप king property की बात करें इंटीग्रेशन में, तो आप हर एक क्वेश्चन के लिए अप्लाई करके देखें हमेशा उसे. Yes. हर एक क्वेश्चन के लिए. Okay. Yes. You have to check it out for each and every question first. Is it valid or not? If it is applicable, so the question will become very simpler and easy. You can do it. All right, students, noted and done. Okay, focus on next here, the next part. Take a look here. The next question. Yes, another 90s question we have here. Same property we have to apply here. Same question, same approach, same property. Yes, I just give the hint here. You have to write your answer in a chat box. Like we have a I, that is 0 to pi e raised to power cos x divided by e raised to power cos x plus e raised to power minus of cos x dx here. So just apply the king property here. Obviously cos 180 minus theta we have to apply here. That should be minus cos theta. Once we apply, yes, you have to assume at equation 1 here. So once we add both the equation, you will get the final answer here. Okay, yes. So same pattern you have to apply. Same pattern. Just do it and don't forget to comment your answer in a chat box. Okay. All right, students. So it's time to do the next part here. Clear, all of you? Okay, take a look here. Yes. The value of integration 2 to 3 root x divided by square root of 5 minus x plus root x dx is equal to what? Think about it. So easy question it is again here. Okay, Shantanu, 90, that previous one. All right, so quick. Yes, think about it again. You have to apply the king as well here, or any advanced form of king, because the lower limit is not 0 here. Yes, we have a property here, if you remember. If you remember, we have a integration a to b fx dx. It's nothing but, yes, integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx, correct? So let's apply here, then it will become very easy. Okay, Ashish, so quick. Let me check what we get here. So we have a I is equal to 2 to 3 root x divided by square root of 5 minus x plus root x dx. So let's apply the property here. We have to assume as equation number 1 here. So I is equal to what? It should be 2 to 3 here. Yes, 3 plus 2. That should be 5 minus x. Again here, yes, inside the square root 5 minus, that should be 3 plus 2 minus x. And here we have to write down 5 minus x dx. It will become 2 to 3 is square root of 5 minus x divided by square root of x plus square root of 5 minus x here dx. That is equation number 2. So once we add 1 and 2, yes, once we add 1 and 2, what we get here? 2i is equal to what? 2 to 3, only 1 left, I think. Yes, LCM and cancel out, only 1 left here. So what will be the final answer? 2i is equal to what? Yes, x 3 minus 2, that should be a 1 only left here, and I is equal to 1 by 2 is the final answer. Excellent. Yes, that is correct, Ashish. That was correct. So 1 by 2 is the right answer. Yes, very old question we have here. Yes, आप 90s के क्वेश्चन इसे कह सकते हैं. Okay, all right, just note it down. Note it down, each and every one. Okay, Shantanu. Yes, that's correct. Absolutely brilliant. Now focus on next here, the next part, question number 6 here. This question is like from 2019. Yes, this question asked in 2019. और आपको थोड़ा सा हैरानी होगी, ये क्वेश्चन आपके एडवांस का है. यस, एग्जैक्टली, एडवांस में भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं जो आपसे हो जाए काफी इजीली. सो लुक एट द क्वेश्चन हियर. इफ i is equal to 2 by pi minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4, we have dx by 1 plus e raised to power sin x, 2 minus cos twice of x, correct? Then find the value of 27i square. Okay, easy. Yes, we can apply here the same property which we have used in a previous one. Yes, same property we have to apply which we have used in previous one. Take your time, take a look here. So once we write it down here, I is equal to 2 by pi minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 dx divided by 1 plus e raised to power sin x and another bracket 2 minus cos 2x. That is equation number 1 here. Okay, now try to apply the property here. Which property and how should we apply here? So easy and simple here. Very easy and simple here. Yes, very easy. Like I is equal to 2 by pi. Write down as it is. Now minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 dx divided by 1 plus e raised to power sin x here. What it will be? Any idea? We have a e raised to power, yes, sine of what it will become? Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 and then minus of sin x, like that. Exactly, we can apply here pi by 4 then minus pi by 4 as well there, and then minus of x, it will be like a minus of sine of x it will become, correct? So I write directly here e raised to power minus of sin x. Can I write directly here? Exactly, we can write it down, raised to power minus of sin x, correct? Now bracket close here. On the other hand, 2 minus, yes, what will be the cos of negative? Cos of negative will become as it is, yes, exactly. So we have to write down cos of twice of x as it is here. Now it will become 2 by pi minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4, yes, e raised to power minus sin x. We can write down 1 plus 1 by e raised to power sin x, correct? So it will goes to the numerator, e raised to power sin x dx divided by 1 plus e raised to power sin x, and the other hand we have a 2 minus cos 2x dx, correct? This will become our equation number 2. Now add equation 1 and 2. Yes, just try to add 1 and 2. What we get once we add equation 1 and 2 here? All right, try to add it. So easy question. Once we add, what we get here? We get 2i is equal to minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Yes. At the numerator, we get 1 plus sin x, correct? Exactly. 1 plus e raised to power sin x divided by what? 1 plus e raised to power sin x, and then multiply by 2 minus cos 2x dx, correct? So it will cancel out. Now we get what? 2i is equal to minus of pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Yes, 1 by 2 minus cos 2x dx. The question is very simple now. Yes, at the denominator we have a cos 2x. How should we solve? Any idea? अगर आपके डिनोमिनेटर में cos 2x आता है तो आप कैसे सॉल्व करते थे? Yes, double angle formula we have to apply here. So we can say that like a 2i is equal to what? 2 by pi. Yes, we missed 2 by pi here. Exactly, 2 by pi को आपने मिस किया यहाँ पे. 2 by pi minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4, or we can say 1 by 2 minus, yes, tan wala formula. Very good, Ashish. We have to apply 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x dx, correct? Now 2 gets cancelled out. We can easily cancel out. We have I is equal to what? 1 by pi, or that should be what? Minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Yes, at the numerator it will become what? Sec square x divided by 1 plus 3 tan square x dx here. Now substitution we have to apply. But one more thing is there. We can apply one more property here. It's an even function. Yes, look at here, sec square x and tan square x. It's an even function. So we can directly write down here what? We can directly write down I is equal to 2 times. Yes, it should be written directly 2 times from 0 to pi by 4. Yes, we can change the limit here, 0 to pi by 4 here, no issue. It's an even function. It should be written as 0 to pi by 4 here. Yes, Ashish, that is correct here. So it's a 0 to 2 pi. Okay, now what will be the final solution once we solve it? What will be the final solution here? Yes, we have to again simplify here. We have to substitute here tan x, or we can write it down like a root 3 tan x equal to t. Yes, root 3 tan x is equal to t here. So we can say that sec square x dx is equal to what? Dt by root 3 here. So let's substitute the value. We get here I is equal to 2 by pi 0 to root 3 1 by root 3 dt by 1 plus t square. That should be what? 2 by root 3 pi as it is, and it will be tan of inverse t 0 to root 3 here. Yes, try to solve it. Okay. All right. Noted and done. So what will be the final answer? Yes, what will the final answer? 2 by root 3 pi tan inverse of root 3 minus tan inverse of 0. Yes, root 3, 60. Is that correct? Yes, 60, pi by 3. Solve it. Then we have to find out 27 I square. Okay. All right. Yes, it will become the final answer. What will be the final answer? You have to solve it yourself. Final answer will be plus 4. Correct? You can simplify. Very easy now. Yes, tan inverse root 3, 60, pi by 3. You have to solve it. You will get the value of I here. Once we substitute, you will get the final answer. All right, Ashish. Okay. Time to do the next one, the next part. Yes, 2015 question we have here. JEE mains 2015 here. Question number 7. The integral value of from like 2 to plus 4 log of x square divided by log of x square plus log of 6 minus x square. Yes. 6 minus x whole square. The question is already simplified pretty much. Actually 2015 में आपका जो question था वो कुछ इस तरह था. Like 2 to 4 log of x square divided by log of x square plus log of 36 minus 12x plus x square. Actually ये जो bracket है आपका 6 minus x whole square, ये आपका क्या था? Yes, ये expanded form में था. ओके यस सो कुछ इस तरह से भी आता है तो आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. ऑलराइट ओके नाउ फोकस ऑन अ पार्ट हियर, फोकस ऑन अ क्वेश्चन हियर. सो वी हैव अ इंटीग्रेशन I is equal to what? 2 to 4 log x square divided by log of x square plus log of 6 minus x whole of square dx. So how do we approach here? Okay, all right, Ashish, so many D's there. D answer is there. Okay, what about the rest of you? Okay, आप यहाँ पे log की property अभी use कर सकते हैं हम, log m raised to power n log m it is. So let's apply 2 to 4, it should be twice of log x divided by again 2 log of x and plus log of 6 minus x. exactly यहाँ पे भी हमने same property use किया है. It will cancel out. So finally we can write I is equal to integration of 2 to 4 log of x divided by log x plus log of 6 minus x dx. Correct? Yes, Ashish, we have to apply king property. We have to choose like we have to just simplify as an equation number 1 here. So at the numerator, obviously we have to do a plus b. Okay, I have to write down the property here, like a to b fx dx is equal to what? Yes, we have already used earlier a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Correct? So simply just add it. Yes. What we get here at the numerator, log of 6 minus x, and at the denominator, log of x plus log of 6 minus x. Again the same thing we will get. So once we add equation 1 and 2, you will get the answer. Yes, you will get the answer. 2I is equal to integration of 2 to 4 dx, and once we solve, we will get the value of I is equal to 1. Option D is the correct answer. Can you do it, all of you? Yes. क्या आप आगे कर सकते हैं? Easy. क्या आप आगे कर सकते हैं, all of you? All right. Yes, काफी easy question थे. इसी टाइप के भी आते हैं. Okay. All right. Moving forward, the next part. The next question here. Question number 8 here. Yes, one more easy question we have here. All of you, take your time. One more question we have here. Question number 8. Okay, Shantanu. Yes. Find the value of integration minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 x square cos x divided by 1 plus e raised to power x dx, which is equal to what? Take your time, all of you. So easy in question here. क्या अप्लाई करें यहाँ पे? Again, as I told you, एक प्रॉपर्टी है जो आपको हमेशा अप्लाई करना है. Yes, that is king property. So let's start. Try to solve it. Okay. Yes, एडवांस का क्वेश्चन है बट इजी है, आपसे ही होगा. काफी इजी क्वेश्चन है, एडवांस में पूछा गया क्वेश्चन. Yes, Ashish, that is correct here. So let's take a look here. We have a I is equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 x square cos x divided by 1 plus e raised to power x dx here. So let's apply here. Once we apply, we have to take equation number 1. Don't forget. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Yes, once we add here x, yes, in the place of x here, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, then minus x. Okay, we have a square here, so it will be like as it is x square, and then we have a cos of x and divided by what? Why cos of x only? Because cos negative x is same as it is. Correct? So cos of minus x will become cos x as it is. But at here 1 plus e raised to power, once we done like minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus x, so only minus x left here. Okay, all right, by parts. Okay, Ashish, all right. So what we have here, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, it will become what here? Yes, you have to take as equation number 2. Correct? So I'm going to add both the equation actually directly here. Yes, going to add both the equation directly here. No issue. Take a look here. Once we add equation 1 and 2 here. Yes. Just add equation 1 and 2 here. 2I is equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So we have a x square cos of x common. What we get here? 1 by 1 plus e raised to power x added to 1 by 1 plus e raised to power minus x dx here. So what we get once we solve this bracket here? Yes, if we try to solve this bracket, we will get 1. Exactly, just solve it. We will get 1 here. So finally it will become twice of I is equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 x square cos x dx. Yes, we have a 2 function here. So yes, we need to apply by part. Okay, so let's apply by part here. First and second function we have here. So let's do it. First, that is x square. Okay, yes, it's a even function. Can we apply here 2 times? Yes, yes, we have an even function as well here, so no need to write like minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. It's a even function. Why? We have a x square. Okay, Exactly, we have a x square and cos x, both are even function here. So just write it down only one time, the limit here, just apply only one time. 2i equal to 0 to pi by 2, yes, that should be like a 2 time x square cos x, correct? Or 2 gets cancelled out, we can write down I equal to 0 to pi by 2 x square cos x dx. Now apply by parts here. Okay, yes, first function, that is what, x square, integration of second function, that is cos x, minus d by dx of first function, twice of x, yes, integration of second function, and then whole integration, we have a minus cos of x, and then plus 2 times minus sine of x, and apply limit from 0 to pi by 2 here. What will be the answer? Yes, cos 90 0, sin 90 1 here. What will be the answer? Option A, B, C, D. Once we simplify, yes, जब आप सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं क्या आंसर आता है आपका? ऑप्शन ए, बी, सी, डी. विच वन इज करेक्ट? टेक योर टाइम. So easy and simple. Yes, it's option A is the answer, correct? No. Exactly, option A is the right answer. Pi square by 4 minus 2. Okay, so just simplify yourself. Now take a look here, the next one, 2017 question we have here. Question number 9. The integral value plus pi by 4 to plus 3 pi by 4 dx by 1 plus cos x is equal to what? Yes, you can solve it. Very easy question it is actually. So easy and simple, you can solve it. Yes, it's plus 2, minus 2, or plus 4, or minus 1. Which one is correct here? Any idea? Ashish say A. Okay, yes, is that previous one correct? Okay, that was correct. Just think about it. Here, very easy question. We have to simply just apply the rationalization and you will get the answer. So easy integration here. Okay, just integrate here first. Like we have an integration dx by 1 plus cos x here. Okay, we know that we have to simply multiply 1 minus cos x in numerator and 1 minus cos x in denominator, correct? Okay, so at the numerator we have what? 1 minus cos x, and at the denominator what we have here? Sin square x. Yes, a plus b, a minus b. 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos square x, that is sin square x. Okay, so just separate your term here, 1 by sin square x and cos x by sin square x dx, correct? So what we get here? We get cosec square x, yes, and yes, cos by sin. What we get here? Cosec x cot x. Cosec x cot x. And these are the standard integration we can apply here. Yes, so easy. Just integrate. And what will be the answer? Okay, Ashish says C, plus 4, plus 4. All right. Minus 2, minus 2. Any other? So what we get here? We get here minus of cot x plus cosec x. And look at the limit. Pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Just substitute the value here. Very mixed answer I am getting here. Plus 2 or minus 2 or plus 4. Yes, yes. Just substitute and find the value here. Very easy. अब आपको बस value रखना है, solve करना है. So easy and simple. Take your time. Okay. Yes, what will be the answer? 1 plus square root of 2 minus time minus 1 plus square root of 2. That is what? Yes, square root will 2 cancel out. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is the answer. Option B is the right answer. Okay? Yes. Exactly. इस टाइप के भी क्वेश्चन आपको मिलते हैं. काफी इजी है. Yes, option B is the right answer, correct answer. Okay. Time to do the next part here. The next question. Mains 2019. Question number 10. If 0 to pi by 2 cot x by cot x plus cosec x dx is equal to m times pi plus n, then what is m into n? Yes, what is m into n here? Take your time. Okay, no worry आशीष, प्लस माइनस थोड़ा बहुत देखना होता है, वही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. यस, क्वेश्चन आपकी काफी सारी तैयारी हो चुकी है, पता है, बस थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन पे ध्यान रखें. ओके, जल्दबाजी में सॉल्व ना करें. सो यस, वी हैव अ 0 टू पाई बाय 2 cot x अपॉन cot x प्लस cosec x dx इज इक्वल टू m टाइम्स पाई प्लस n हियर, और आपको m into n निकालना है यहाँ पे. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको सॉल्व करना है, और सॉल्व करना है इस पैटर्न में हियर. कैन यू डू इट योरसेल्फ? आई जस्ट गिव यू अ हिंट हियर. यस, we can convert into sin and cos form here. Okay, आप sin और cos के फॉर्म में से कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. Like what? I is equal to, we have 0 to pi by 2, we have a cot x. Cot x means what? Cos by sin, correct? Whole divided by, again we have a cos by sin plus 1 by sin here. Now, once we cancel out the denominator, what we get here, 0 to pi by 2, we have cos x divided by 1 plus sin x dx. Here, can we apply the king property? No need of a king here. Yes, आपको king property नहीं apply करना है. Simply just rationalize the denominator as the previous question we have done here. Correct? Yes, we have a 1 plus cos x actually here. आपने sin x को eliminate किया है. Okay? Yes, we have a 1 plus cos x here. Now just rationalize. Multiply in numerator 1 minus cos x and 1 minus cos x in denominator. What left here? I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Yes. Cos x times 1 minus cos x divided by sin square x. Yes, we have a 1 here. Sin square x by 10 we can do. Yes, you can apply like for a tan theta you have to just substitute like a half angle formula. Yes, you can do it Ashish, no issue. Correct, आप उससे भी जा सकते हैं. Either we can do the rationalize or half angle formula, you will get the same answer. Okay, now what will be the next here? We have a 0 to pi by 2. It should be written like a cos x by sin square x and minus cos x by cos square x by sin square x. Correct? So what we get here? 0 to pi by 2 cosec x cot x. Yes, cosec x cot x and cot of square x dx. Now how do we integrate cot square x? For cot square x we need to convert into cosec here. Yes, cosec square theta minus 1. So it will become what here? 0 to pi by 2 cosec x cot x and then minus cosec square x plus 1 it will become, because there is a minus sign outside. Now try to solve it, you will get the answer here. What we get here? Yes, x plus cos x minus 1 by sin x whole raised to power, like whole raised to the limit is here 0 to pi by 2. Just apply here, you will get the answer. Yes, you have to simply write down in a form of m time pi plus n and you will get the answer. Okay, yes, काफी सिंप्लीफाई कर चुके हैं हम यहाँ पे काफी कुछ. सो आपको बस फाइनली आंसर यहाँ पे फाइंड करना है. ओके, यस, और आपको जब आंसर मिल जाता है तो यस, ट्राई टू राइट डाउन इन अ चैट बॉक्स ऑल ऑफ यू. Noted and done? All clear, all of you? Any doubt, any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, now focus on the next year. The next part, the next question. Main 2019 again we have here. Yes, the integration from pi by 6 to pi by 3 sec to the power 2 by 3x into cosec to the power 4 by 3x dx here. Yes, again 4 mark question, काफी easy है. टेक योर टाइम। हाउ डू वी सॉल्व हियर? कैसे अप्रोच करें? एनीवन नो दैट? कैसे अप्रोच करें इस क्वेश्चन में, किस तरह से सॉल्व करें? एनी आइडिया? जब कुछ ना समझ में आए तो साइन कॉस हमारे पास आए, करेक्ट? यस, ऑलराइट। सो आई जस्ट गिव यू हिंट हियर, आपको बस एक हिंट देता हूं मैं यहाँ पे, आपको इसे कन्वर्ट करना होगा किसमें? सेक स्क्वायर थीटा और टेन स्क्वायर थीटा में। यस, once we convert you will get the answer. Okay, clear? King, Ashish again say king, you can try but king से ना जाना। okay, यहाँ पे साइन कॉस में चेंज कर सकते हैं या सेक और टेन में चेंज करेंगे, it will become very easy. Don't apply king here. Yes, from pi by 6 to pi by 3 we will get what? Sec square x by tan x to the power 4 by 3 dx. Correct? Now it will become so easy. अब इसके आगे आपको करना है। ओके सैडी, ऑल राइट। यस, इसके आगे अब आप लोग कर सकते हैं tan x equal to t, sec square x dx equal to dt. Just substitute the value, we will get correct like 1 by root 3 2 plus root 3 dt by t raised to the power 4 by 3. Once we solve, you will get the answer. So simply once you get the answer, yes, काफी होमवर्क हो रहे हैं आज तो। yes, सो टोटल 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन आपको मिल चुके हैं अभी तक। सो कुछ नहीं करना है, काफी हिंट मिल चुकी है इस क्वेश्चन की, तो आपको करना क्या है, बस सिंपली सॉल्व करना है और अपने आंसर को कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप करना है। क्लियर? ओके, मूविंग ऑन द नेक्स्ट ईयर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, जेईई मेंस 2019 ईयर। अगेन वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, यस, 4 मार्क क्वेश्चन, काफी इजी है। लुक एट द लिमिट फ्रॉम अल्फा टू अल्फा प्लस 1 dx by x plus alpha plus 1 is equal to log base e 9 by 8 is equal to what here? All right, what will be the value of alpha here? We need to calculate. How do we solve here? Can we apply the king property here? Okay, देखा लो क्या, एक छोटी सी अप्रोच और आपका आंसर आपके सामने। I is equal to what we have here? Yes, integration alpha to alpha plus 1 dx by x plus alpha and x plus alpha plus 1 here. Anyone know that how do we adjust the term here to get the answer? Yes, so easy. Again, काफी easy question है आपके सामने, काफी easy और simple question है आपके सामने। Yes, we need to calculate और इसे log base e 9 by 8 की फॉर्म में लिखना है, फिर कंपेयर करके अल्फा के वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेना है। लुक एट द न्यूमरेटर, न्यूमरेटर में देखिए, यस वी हैव अ 1 ऑलरेडी हियर। एट द न्यूमरेटर आपके पास 1 है। यस, कैन वी राइट लाइक, कैन वी एडजस्ट x प्लस अल्फा, यस, एंड माइनस x प्लस अल्फा? क्या आप x प्लस अल्फा को ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं न्यूमरेटर में? Is that possible? Okay, Ashish. All right. Okay, Captain. Yes, Captain is also there. Yes, x plus alpha plus अपने x plus alpha को एडजस्ट किया, सिंपल। ओके, अब क्या करें? Just do it separately. लिमिट बाद में लगा लेंगे। x plus alpha plus 1 divided by x plus alpha time x plus alpha plus 1 minus again x plus alpha divided by x plus alpha another bracket x plus alpha plus 1. Yes, try to solve it. How easy question, it will cancel out what left here. क्या बचता है अब यहाँ पे? अल्फा अल्फा प्लस 1, यस, 1 by x plus alpha dx minus इंटीग्रेशन अगेन सेम लिमिट अल्फा प्लस 1 1 by x plus alpha plus 1 dx। क्या इसके आगे आपसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो सकता है? यस, व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 by x plus alpha? log of x plus alpha. And what about the next one? Yes, log of x plus alpha plus 1। क्या इसके आगे आप कर सकते हैं? इजी, यस और नो? यस, क्या इसके आगे आपसे क्वेश्चन हो पाएगा? log of x plus alpha by x plus alpha plus 1 and look at the limit here, alpha to alpha plus 1. Try to substitute and compare it. You will get the value of alpha here. Okay, yes, we have to just simply put the limit here and you will get the final answer. Okay, फाइनल आंसर आपका जो भी होगा डोंट फॉरगेट टू कमेंट. ओके, बस 2 ही स्टेप बचते हैं आपके पास, लिमिट को पुट करना और कंपेयर करना log of 9/8 से. You will get the answer. Yes, just have to put the limit, you will get the answer. So easy. Excellent all of you here. So yes, these are the few important question for today's session. काफी कुछ हमने किया, काफी 90s के भी 2-3 क्वेश्चन हमने सॉल्व किए थे. ओके, और yes, काफी सारे लेटेस्ट क्वेश्चन भी थे और काफी क्वेश्चन करने भी है. So what you have to do here? Yes, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment here. Yes, आप शेयर भी कर सकते हैं अपने दोस्तों को भी. And the next thing is that here, which is very important. Exactly, Embibe feature. So what we have here, you know that already here we have a parent application, Embibe live class, doubt resolution as well, lens application, I told you already about it, Embibe practice set as well, the achieve journey, and yes, interactive global lesson plan we have here. So first of all, take a look here, which is very important. Yes, come to the application पे आइए, और भी सारे क्वेश्चंस हमें वहां पे करने हैं. yes, थोड़े शॉर्ट ट्रिक भी है, काफी कुछ है. yes, so don't forget to subscribe the channel as well here. yes, and these are the 3 important application here, Embibe Fairly app and Embibe application and Embibe Lens app here. And if you have any doubt, any query, yes, try to simply join our Telegram channel as well as doubt resolution WhatsApp app here. Okay, all right here. So yes students, this is Sheikh Rafique signing off. See you in our next session. Take your time. Yes, and don't forget to comment your answer. Okay, yes, the last one Anushka again given the right answer. Yes, that was correct here. Anushka ने बार-बार सही आंसर दिया. Yes, all of you, आप लोगों को भी आंसर कमेंट करना ही है. Okay, all right. So take care students. See you in our next session. Take care all of you. Thank you so much for joining today. Bye everyone. Take care everyone. All the best for your exam.